automatic call generator. In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Friday market after 3 o'clock, sell call generated and break out the target. Today it's a Jan 15 Monday market. After 1 minute of market open 9:16 am, buy call generator, green color candle open. Like this daily basis in live market it will generate calls like a signal. So today buy call generated at 48,043. That straight white line from green color candle, that is our entry point line. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. So daily it will analyze the market movement. Whenever a breakout happen, it will give calls like a signal. And today the signal is buy signal. So green color candle open. The first target range is 48,163. It's a 120 point target. And let's wait and see how this chart works in live market. In first 7 to 8 minutes, a market break out the 100 point momentum and continuous bullish momentum. So market was in bullish momentum, it break out the first target range also. Like this today call generated and break out the target. Meanwhile, let's take a look at the money option, 48,000 call option. In 48,000 call option, at 243 buy call started and market breakout 300 range. So it's a strong 50 point momentum. So like this, in this chart you can change the script and watch the calls. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.